Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to cook something special, something that you have never eaten or heard of before. Okay, so jackfruit, as you all know, is a fruit, of course. But unlike mangoes or any other fruit with a seed, jackfruit seeds are actually used in making some South Indian curries, which to be honest, I'm not very fond of. Anyways, so on our channel, we are taking a step further by preparing chaklis out of jackfruit seeds, and it tasted so yummy that the first time my mom made me eat it, I couldn't make out it's made out of something that I always threw in the dustbin because I didn't want my mom to make a curry out of it. Anyways, let's jump right into the recipe. The first step of making this crispy chakli is to cook the jackfruit seeds, peel off the outer skin, followed by mixing it in a mixer grinder by addition of a decent quantity of water as shown in the video. Once it's grinded adequately, take a bowl for mixing, add the grinded paste, followed by the addition of 3 cups of rice flour, salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1/4 tablespoon of hing, melted butter about 3 tablespoons, and add decent amount of water to make it a thick dough. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and mix it. Alternatively, you can also add the chili powder before you mix it into a dough to reduce the mixing process and maybe to save your precious time as well. Okay, so once you have your dough ready, it's time to lubricate the chakli maker with oil so that your chaklis come out ever so smoothly and effortlessly. Now that you have your chakli maker ready, add the dough into it and start squeezing out the dough in a spiral manner on a plate or plastic. Once you have all your spiral chaklis ready, take a pan, heat decent amount of coconut oil on medium flame, toss in all the chaklis into the oil slowly and fry it till it hardens. And there you have it, chaklis made of jackfruit seeds are ready to be eaten. Amazing, isn't it? Also, the remaining dough can be folded and fried so as to avoid any sort of wastage. Do try this at home, I'm sure you'll love it too. So that's it for today's video. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it. Thanks for watching, bye bye.